I rise to congratulate the government for the budget presented by the Honorable Chief Minister. The budget envisages the vision of the government for the development of our people and the state. I am sure that the budget will bring positive changes in our state. I am particularly impressed, sir, by the fact that the Honorable Chief Minister has allotted Rs 3,414 crores towards climate action and environment. This allocation certifies that the government is serious about sustainable development and environment protection. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, in this budget speech, the Honorable CM has stated that the government has written to the Union government for the establishment of the land custom station at Umkyang village, East Chanja Hills district. This is very important for the trade and commerce, and it will help in offering employment and opportunities to our youth, and it also help in generating revenue for the state. I wish to request the government to pursue this matter diligently with the government of India and the government of Bangladesh. Sir, particularly in my constituency, there's a great difficulty in connectivity of the roads. I urge the government to look up upon especially the roads in my constituency. I would like to also inform the government that especially in my constituency, there are few roads to be maintained and few roads need urgent repair. That is, number one is the Sutnga Saipung Molse Haflong Road, which is also called the DSSMH Road, the Jalya Narawan Jalapet Road. Number three is the Pala Saipung Road, then Sutnga Sumer Road, the Ladlakadong to Prang River, which already the government has already sanctioned to from Prang to Sonapur Road, which is 122 crores, which is already given. So I urge the government to see upon these other few roads. The DSSMH Road to Katdom Village, Jalapet Molait Brisumer Road, and Musyang Lamre Umrasiang Road, Sutnga Bypass Road. So the estimates have been already submitted for few of these roads to the Chief Engineer PWD Road. I wish to seek the government's speedy action, especially to our Honorable Deputy Speakers, to our Honorable Deputy CM, to kindly look into this matter and to sanction the roads which already proposed on this road are critical for the development of these areas and for the fact they have need the unattended for many years, sir. So there's also an urgent need for the Dorba Shnong Umkyang village has time and again demanded the Umkyang PHC to upgrade to CHC. This particular PHC catered to need of many, more than 20,000 population who are living in the border areas of Bangladesh. Umkyang PHC has therefore become a critical health infrastructure for the people, and as such, knowing that the fact that most of the people in Umkyang PHC are basically farmers, and it's imperative on the part of the government that the Umkyang PHC be upgraded to CHC to ensure the people get the important facilities without having to need to go to the cities. I therefore request the government to consider the request for CHC at Umkyang village. Sir, there's also another PHC which is much needed in the Sumer iaka, and also another one in Hingaria, which is much already the proposal has been submitted, the Hingaria village, the sub-center. I request the government to kindly look into this matter. So as you know that there are still so many villages across the state that needs to access the mobile connectivity and grips electricity. In this modern age, mobile network and grip electricity are very important and critical for growth. The government should survey at all the villages across the state who do not have access to the facility and thereafter take proper action. In my constituency, sir, too, there are villages within Saipung block and also villages along the Indo-Bangla border which do not have access to the facility. I am seeking the government attention on this matter. I take the opportunity to request the government that which already Honorable CM has mentioned in his budget speech. He stated that the government will build district auditorium for all districts. I am happy for this assurance, as East Janjay Hills district do not have any auditorium and district library till date, sir. I'm sure that the same will be speed up. So
Honorable members, please try to wind up.
So last. So before I resume my seat, I would like to request the government to take into consideration my request and to take up all possible steps for the growth of our state, and also the vision in the budget speech are put into action. With this submission, sir, I thank you and I resume my seat.